I just take a mental note and write that down. So I'm going to do a poem for you. Quick question. How many of you guys go through so many stuff throughout the week but still walk around with a smile on your face?
Go through what?
Yeah. I mean, I know it's more than that. I ain't seen New Year. You too, you can't take y'all do, right? Yeah. Right? Amen, right? All right, so, we're going to get it popping. So when I say so, y'all say serious, all right? All right. That boy is so
serious.
So
Serious.
For me, the past was like it never existed. But the physical scars were a constant reminder that I had been abused once or twice before in my days. Thoughts of black history repeating itself. I can only imagine Harriet Tubman guiding me beneath that tunnel. This time, only escaped the truth that was buried alongside the regrets. You know, in between the lies that was supposed to be covered up in order to keep me warm. See, the truth is, I was in the midst of my storm. Pulling and tugging as if I wasn't at the end of my rope. It's hard to reach for the stars when your own family won't give you the time of day. Now, they say blood is thicker than water, but what happens when Red Cross sends you and stops sponsoring your blood drive? And it occurs a disconnection from your lifeline, then you flatline from that one relationship that you thought was supposed to be built on trust. Amen. See, the truth is most relationships don't last when it's built on lust. And posing my frustration through this pen, I'm asking, what is my thoughts begin? Writer's block. I'm in this room serving up stressing. See, when your mind goes, dreams don't appear at night. And every day becomes more and more of a fight, because every step you take seems to expose an unpaid bill. Drawing near to another unproductive year, and your ship becomes a little harder to steer. I know, because I'm an example of a steel pipe. I've been held down for so long that the phrase sky's the limit just didn't sound right. And the word hope, yeah, that left at the age of 10, so yes, I know what pressure feels like. But a sound by the Langston Hughes played me an old poem and reminded me, well, if dream dies, life ain't nothing but a broken winged bird that can't fly, so if you fall down, what Donnie McKirkland said that you can get back up. It's like every pen stroke leads me to a place of confession. And Lord knows I'm not trying to miss out on my blessings, so converting back to Christianity became my new occupation. Just a temporary solution to ease my frustration, so Father, forgive me, for I know I have little patience. Hell, you want to know the real me? Well, about face and step into my congregation. See, the truth is, I was in the midst of my storm. And every poem that I write encourages me to take flight. I'm a poet who inspires outside of the limelight. One man, no mic, pulling and tugging as if I wasn't at the end of my rope. Truth is, stage claps helps me to stay afloat, so I progressed and became the captain of my own boat. Erased my mistakes and perfected my pen stroke. All lies on me, because it's the realest piece I ever wrote. This poem was written for those who believe in first, second, and third chances. See, no one said surviving would be easy. It's all about seasons. Create your own legacy. Be known as the one who threw the most blows and not the one who accepted the most hits. You see, I refuse to quit because poetry helped motivate this. Thank y'all.